everyone to another beautiful day. We're actually gonna test out the Apollo City Pro 2022 with the full range power and hill climb at lovely Standing Park. And today we have Eva here. Say hello.
Hello.
For safety check, make sure you always wear helmets. Very, very important. You don't want your brain go kaboom. And then you have your elbows, so having that protection pad in case you fall, same as the knee pad.
Oh.
Yay! We're now at the entrance of Standing Park. The battery bar so far is still 5, so that's incredible. How are you doing there? Good? Not good. I know your legs I know it's working. I believe the estimate for around Standing Park is 10 kilometers from here all the way past Lion Gates all the way to English Bay. And there's also a big hill hop up climb we can get to test as well. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so right now we're at 9 o'clock. Cannon right there. Say hi, Eva.
Hi.
Hello. 1 or 2 kilometers here. And range so far, let's take a look. Still full bar, so let's keep on going. This is the Apollo City Pro 2022, the full range and hill climb test. Oh, this is awesome. Alright, region kicks in. Look at that. Finally, so excited. Wait! First hill climb, maybe 10 to 15%. I'm at sport modes, but locking at 14 kilometers an hour, having a cruise control on. I'm gonna try to pass Eva. I'll do a test. Woo! Oh, this feels great. I'm locking at 44. Woo! Region kicking in. Let's take a break here. So we made it to the Lion Gates right now. Let's check out the status with the Apollo City Pro 2022. Still full bar, so that's incredible because I've been using in sport mode. We managed to climb all the way uphill. That's almost like, I want to say 15 to 20%-ish like that. Constant speed. Let's finish up for the trip at around Standing Park. I think I'm gonna estimate, I think we're at 5 kilometers or so because we're at middle point. And yeah, let's keep it going. Alright, so we just done the full lap in Standing Park, which is pretty awesome. Right now we're gonna test 0 to 30, see how long it takes, but going uphill. And of course later we're gonna test on a flat ground, going 0 to 30, see how fast it takes to reach that speed. So let's go. Alright, so here we go, 0 to 30 uphill test with the sport mode on. And if you can see it on the video right here, we have a time watch. 30. Wow, that was quick. Alright, let's do a hill test. 44, 45, that's around there. Yeah, 43 now, dropping. And heading to flat. 38, 39, and yeah, hit that region break. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm just gonna estimate when I hit 0 to 30, especially uphill, I wanna say around 3 second or 4 second-ish in estimation, but that's just me. Like we're just going pew, like so fast, it's reaching above 30 already. And I noticed going uphill, we're actually staying around 45, 44 kilometers per hour. So pretty good. And just a little info about myself, I'm actually weighing around 70 kilograms. So you know what, the weight always factors in, and depending what you're carrying, accessory, etc., and especially weather temperature. You know, a lot of variables. You know the details. Because here we're gonna do a test 0 to 30 in sport mode. Let's just go full out and see how many seconds it takes to reach that 30 kilometers per hour. Because oh man, coming from 9 bar max, when I did my first video, when you hit that, when you get over that 30 limit, oh man, it feels so good. All right, enough talking, let's go. All right, here we go. Checking for safety, everything's ready. Turning on sport mode. 0 to 30, flat ground, let's go. 1, 2, 3. So around there, 3 seconds as well. But you know what, let's go all out. 39, 40, 42, 45, 46, 47. a little bit uphill now, so it's gonna decrease. But yeah, semi-flat, 42nd. Oh man, it feels so good. Heading 45. Woo! Oh yeah. 46 and 47. All right, hit that regen. That's awesome. I just want to cover the most essential stuff. But here's what I adjusted. This is actually one of the lights I tested at nighttime, which will coming up later video. But yeah, this is actually called the Wastou, W-A-S-T-O-U. I'll put the product link in the description below, but it has 3 levels. Charge it with the micro USB back here. You know, it does fit great with the Apollo City Pro 2022 handlebar, wrapped all the way around it, so it's really tight, does not falling off easily. And I'll tell you, all the lights when I did the night test, super powerful. Of course, when you're having such a fun scooter, especially that's like semi-performance, it goes so fast, you gotta have some basic protection. For me, I definitely recommend getting some pads, especially knee pad or elbow pad right here. Again, I'll link in the product description below, because in case you wipe out, it's gonna suck if you don't have anything on. Finally, most important of all is a good helmet. This is actually the Smith Mission. I picked this one because I actually do ski and snowboard, so this is actually made for that. I like about it because it's so lightweight and it's MIPS as well, so if you see it right here, it protects you against that's a huge impact. And one more thing, if you're curious how this whole video made, it's actually on GoPro Hero 9. Super compact size, great battery, and the angle massive wide when I'm doing that head mount shots. So like I said though, after we've done all the hills and speed tests, whatnot, let's talk about the battery consumption. If I remember correctly, 60 kilometers, 63-ish if I fully charged, and you know, that's like the perfect condition. And I like about this app, it's very easy to connect. It shows on low to 32% at 13 kilometers. I just been using it like constant uphill, and also one test when I did Line Gate Bridge, 40 kilometers per hour, and that's in sports mode. That does take a lot of battery when you do that kind of test. And you know, if you're a content creator, you know how good the music can make or break your video. So if you like the music I'm using today, it's called Epidemic sound. Link in the description below. You got 2 months free, so it is really incredible. They have so many selections from like travel, beauty, photo, tutorial, cooking. Too many to talk about, but I'll promise you they got tons of selection to choose from. So once again, you get 2 months free if you click the link below in the video description, so make sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for making all the way till the end of this video, because now it's time for comment, question, reply, and Q&A. So I just want to say the response for my first video with the unboxing and setup and first impression of the Apollo City Pro is a massive wow, overwhelming positivity. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And I actually got way more questions than I thought, and I figured, you know what, let's answer some of them in my best ability as I can. So let's get started. So let's start off. It's called Quest for Truth. It says, I hit 44 miles per hour on mine a little while ago. This thing flies. Have so much fun. Just wish I were a riding buddy. Oh, trust me, I'll tell you, because right now I'm residing in Vancouver. So if anyone in Vancouver out here having a Apollo City Pro 2022, or it doesn't matter, you know, just having an electric scooter, let's go for a ride, because having a riding buddy makes the experience way more fun. Alright, next up we have Andrea. Says, great review, thanks so much. Have some question. What made you buy the City Pro instead of the Phantom, and is a good height compared to 9 Bob Max? I have 9 Bob Max ES2 and it's perfect height for me. I am 162 centimeter. I'm worried that's too tall for me. Also, the handlebar looks very long, longer than 9 Bob for sure. Looking forward to a comparison video. Well, subscribe then. Well, thank you so much, Andrea. So to answer your question, I would say, if you're interested, I actually in the future will definitely do a 9 Bob Max compared to the City Pro 2022. For height, the handlebar here, it does kind of tall, because I let a female friend of mine, when she tested it, it's definitely way taller than 9 Bob Max. Now, the reason why I chose over the Phantom, even the Ghost, is because, I'll tell you honestly, 9 Bob Max is my first scooter. I've been using it, so reliable, but I just need some little bit oomph of speed and suspension suspension and whatnot, just the clean design. And that's the reason why I picked the City over the Phantom, because it's also my first Apollo scooter, so you know, it tends to, you want to get something new right away. And next up we have JM Imagine the NT. I'm sorry if I am saying it wrong. How do you attach extra accessory to the handlebar? Phone holders, lights, drinking holder, etc. You can't. The bar are non-standard. Nice scooter though. That's true, yes, because it is tricky. The handlebar here, they're almost like rectangularly oval shape. It's not your standard oval shape, so you can't just mount a GoPro. On Amazon for sure, someone definitely make a third-party mount that will work for attachment. I'll tell you that's for sure. Next up, we got Aaron. Great video. Thank you for a recommendation. Oh, thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Glad you like it. So we have Raider Z Fan 007. It's a scooter with the money. I might get one during Black Friday. I'm just worried that Apollo will come out with a better screen in 2023. Well, unfortunately, that's the thing with technology. They always, always seem to be improving bags. The best example is the cell phone industry. They try to come out better and better, and every with the incremental upgrade. But yeah, eventually, I think the scooter in 2023 or maybe even later will be more improvements. So just look forward to that. So we have Sabel, S-A-B-E-L, Marie. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm sorry about that. Thanks for this video. I like this model very much. The construction and a puncture-proof tire. I'm glad you like it. Same as me, the clean design lone bay internet is the reason why it is attracted to me. Sluggish, ruggish Bone says, just received mine in Detroit a couple days ago and I love it. So much fun. I have noticed a flapping noise coming from the rear tire. Any idea what might be, or has this happened to your city? Well, to answer your question, I'm glad you're having so much fun because it's a really nice, clean, fun scooter. Now, as for flapping, I don't have that issues yet. I hope not. Only sound I have is like when I take out the box and like the first video, there's a bit squeaking sound when I did the power test. Now after a few weeks of usage, it's gone now. Elvis Hernandez asks, what is the air pump you have in the video? So that's actually the Baseus tire portable air pump. Oh, it is actually my favorite. Like in the first video already, it comes all the valves that you need, so you don't need any extra accessory. It's all come with it. Even have an emergency flashlight mode if in case nighttime you need to refill your tire, and auto disconnect itself once you hit that PSI. Keith B says, thanks for the video. Mine is due to arrive in a few weeks for scooter, so congratulations, man. Checking YouTube for a new City Pro user experience with working chargers. Yes. You seem happy with purchase. I am. So far, I did all the testing. Experience have been great. Now, one caveat is, yes, the charger issue, I've been looking into it. A lot of people says 1 or 2 usage, the charger doesn't work. And Apollo has been replying a lot too when I try to ship out the fast charger. So I think in the next few questions is the same as like Mike F, Jonathan Monozes, and BYRON Costello. It says, alright, nice video, man, thank you. Can you put the link for the air pump? So yeah, like I was saying, it's the Baseus portable air pump. Yeah, also for Complex 3DH Heart, great review. By the way, what's the link for the air pump? So once again, that's the Baseus portable air pump. Alright, so let's jump into Facebook group from the Apollo. So it says, Jay Shim asks, hey Scott, have you tried using the lock feature from the app? I have. Suppose that's all. Is it useful at all? Does the scooter need to remain power on for it to work? So yeah, interesting question. So I did test it. In order to use the lock feature, of course, you needed to have the phone connected while powered on. Once you power off, I noticed you can just push the cart anywhere. You don't want to carry this for a long time, even loading it, because it is heavy. That's for sure. Alright, next up we got Poi Mackenzie Scott. Can you do a test to see how much battery the lock feature uses over a period of time? So I did test it for almost I left at work maybe 1 to 2 hours. So it does drain the battery over time, but maybe it's almost like 1%. I'm not sure. It comes kind of like jump back and forth, very incremental. So hope that answer helps out. This has been the Apollo City Pro 2022, the full range battery hill test and many other mini tests as well. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe. Plus, if you have any question at all, make sure to drop in a comment below, because the more question you guys ask and hit the like and subscribe button when I see it and turn on notification bell, makes you want to push out more content and gives me so much motivation. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.